In Kashmir, a grenade attack has taken place in the city's busy Lal Chowk central district of Srinagar. Terrorists are believed to have hurled a grenade at a CRPF bunker, injuring now 7 civilians and a CRPF officer as well in that strike.
When we reached here, we came to know that a grenade has been lobbed and 4 to 5 civilians have been injured. We have put the entire city on high alert. Let's see what happens.
Well, it's after several years, suspected militants have lobbed a grenade in Lal Chowk area. 4 civilians have been injured. The grenade target was intended on the CRPF bunker, but it missed the target and exploded right here. 4 civilians were injured in this attack. The condition of them is stated to be serious. You can see how this vehicle has been damaged in this explosion, and we're told that 1 person in this car has been injured. There are other vehicles which were also damaged in this grenade explosion. The incident has taken place when elections have been going on in Jammu and Kashmir. In first phase of polling, there has been overwhelming participation. More than 70% people cast their vote, and this grenade attack is certainly a warning shot for the security agencies. Lal Chowk has been free from any violence or such attacks for last several years. If I remember correctly, last time the attack in Lal Chowk was in January 2010. Since then, Lal Chowk has been free from any sort of militant violence. Now we see large number of the security forces personnel are visiting this area to see what went wrong and how can suspected militants get here to this area and lob this grenade. Lal Chowk is their surveillance of CCTV cameras, and police tell us that they are going to examine the CCTV footage, but certainly it is a warning shot for the security agencies. In the middle of elections, suspected militants lobbing a grenade, 4 civilians have been injured in this attack. In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi, NDTV.
Well, Nazir now joins me live from Srinagar for more on this. Nazir, as you were just pointing out, overwhelming participation in phase 1 of the elections, but a warning shot now against those turnouts in the oncoming phases.
Yeah, well, Maya, this is just a day after major encounter in Arnia sector in Jammu. We see this grenade attack in Lal Chowk. Earlier, we were knowing just 4 civilians were injured, but now 7 civilians have been injured in this attack. 1 CRPF officer who was also there, a sub-inspector, is also injured in this attack. This grenade was intended, the intended target of this grenade was on this CRPF bunker, but it missed the target and exploded there on the road. And 7 civilians were injured, and the CRPF officer was injured. And as elections are going on, after the attack encounter, major encounter for 2 days in Arnia, this grenade explosion is certainly a warning shot for the security agencies here. It indicates that militants want to disrupt the election process, as the first phase of polling has witnessed overwhelming participation, more than 70% people coming out of their own free will to participate in elections, while as no separatist group has carried out actually anti-election campaign. I've seen today Mirwais Umar Farooq actually doing the rehabilitation relief work for the flood victims rather than going into this anti-election campaign. Here, the Lal Chowk incident is certainly a challenge for the security agencies to ensure incident-free elections in Kashmir. The condition of the injured, some of the injured is stated to be serious in this, who are injured in this attack. They have been shifted to the hospital, and officials here say that the Lal Chowk is covered by the CCTV cameras. They are going to analyze the CCTV footage to track down the attackers and to see who is behind this attack. No militant group has so far claimed the responsibility of this attack, but police are suspecting that it is a militant attack and they are going to investigate it. And this attack has in Lal Chowk area, which is the business hub of Srinagar, has taken place after many years,
as you
many years,
out.
and also at a time, when the Lal Chowk is trying to rebuild itself after the devastating floods which has destroyed business here.
Right,
and
Nazir,
this
thanks.
incident is really a challenge for the school.